Feeling stuck is one of the most common challenges in personal growth. You have goals. You want to improve. You're putting in effort. But progress feels slow or invisible. This video breaks down the key reasons behind that stuck feeling, and more importantly, how to overcome it with clear, practical steps. Let's get right into it. Reason 1, you're stuck in your head, not in your life. Overthinking creates paralysis. You try to figure everything out before making a move. But clarity doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Solution: use the 2-minute rule to reduce resistance. Set a 10-minute action timer to break inertia. What would I do if I wasn't overthinking this? Reason 2, you're trying to fix everything at once. Massive action without direction leads to burnout. You don't need a complete life overhaul, you need momentum. Solution: focus on one small sustainable habit. Stack new habits onto existing routines. Track only the most essential behavior for 30 days. Reason 3, you're solving surface-level problems. What looks like a productivity issue is often an emotional block. You're not lazy, you're overwhelmed, drained, or misaligned. Solution: audit your energy and your environment. Eliminate digital distractions intentionally. Ask, what do I really need right now? Not, what should I be doing? Reason 4, you're chasing someone else's goals. External expectations blur your internal direction. You don't need more goals, you need better ones. Solution: identify your core values. Define success on your own terms in one sentence. Say no to goals that don't match your life's design. Reason 5, you're waiting for permission. Waiting for clarity, validation, or someone else's approval stalls growth. But no one will give you permission, and you don't need it. Solution: take bold, imperfect action. Give yourself a green light with a simple rule: I start before I feel ready. Bonus: you don't have a system, only motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Systems are sustainable. Solution: create a weekly review, wins, lessons, next focus. Use tools like Notion or Google Calendar to anchor your actions. Automate simple tasks to reduce decision fatigue. Takeaway: you're not stuck because you're incapable. You're stuck because you're overthinking, overloading, or out of alignment. With the right mindset and system, progress becomes automatic. This is the NextMindset. Comment below, what's one habit or belief you're letting go of starting today? And subscribe if you're ready to unlock real personal growth with clarity and consistency. See you in the next one.